10 signs your body needs magnesium. And here is why. Let me ask you something important. Have you ever felt unusually tired even after getting enough sleep? Maybe your muscles feel tight for no obvious reason. Perhaps you experience occasional cramps in your legs at night, or you notice that your energy levels are lower than they used to be. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to understand how the human body works, how nutrition affects your health, and what hidden signals your body may be sending every day. Many people do not realize how important minerals are for the human body. Vitamins often receive most of the attention, but minerals quietly support hundreds of biological processes that allow the body to function properly every single day. One of the most important of these minerals is magnesium. Magnesium is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions inside the body. It plays a role in muscle contraction and relaxation, nerve communication, blood pressure regulation, energy production, and even the body's ability to manage stress. Despite its importance, magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common. Modern diets contain far more processed foods than in the past. These foods often provide calories, but very few essential minerals. At the same time, soil depletion has reduced the amount of magnesium naturally present in many crops. Because of these changes, millions of people may be consuming less magnesium than their bodies actually need. When magnesium levels begin to drop, the body often starts sending subtle warning signals. At first, these signals may be easy to ignore. They may appear occasionally and seem unrelated to nutrition. However, as magnesium levels continue to decline, the symptoms may become more noticeable. Recognizing these early signs can help you understand what your body may be missing. One of the most common early signs of low magnesium involves muscle cramps. Muscles rely on magnesium to relax after contracting. When magnesium levels are too low, muscles may contract more easily and relax less efficiently. This can lead to sudden cramps, especially in the legs or feet. Many people notice these cramps during the night while sleeping. Others experience muscle tightness after physical activity that seems stronger than usual. Another common signal involves persistent fatigue. Magnesium plays an essential role in the production of cellular energy. Inside the body, cells produce energy using a molecule called ATP. Magnesium helps activate this molecule and allows it to deliver energy throughout the body. Without enough magnesium, energy production becomes less efficient. As a result, a person may feel tired even after resting. Some people describe this fatigue as a constant feeling of low energy. Others notice that simple tasks require more effort than before. But muscle cramps and fatigue are only the beginning. Magnesium also plays a major role in how the nervous system communicates with muscles and organs throughout the body. When magnesium levels become too low, the nervous system may become more sensitive and reactive. In the next part, we will talk about several additional warning signs that may appear when magnesium levels continue to decline. Some of these symptoms involve sleep disturbances, headaches, and the body's response to stress. And surprisingly, many people experience these signs without realizing that their body may simply be lacking one essential mineral. Signs 3 to 5. Your body may need magnesium. Another signal that may appear when magnesium levels begin to decline involves problems with sleep. Many people struggle with sleep at some point in their lives. Stress, irregular schedules, late meals, and screen exposure can all affect the body's natural sleep rhythm. However, magnesium also plays an important role in helping the body relax and prepare for rest. Magnesium helps regulate certain neurotransmitters that calm the nervous system. These chemical messengers influence how easily the brain can shift from an active state into a relaxed state that allows sleep to begin. When magnesium levels are sufficient, The nervous system can settle down more easily at the end of the day. But when magnesium levels become too low, the nervous system may remain more active than it should be. As a result, some people may find it harder to fall asleep. Others may wake up several times during the night or feel restless while trying to relax in bed. Some individuals notice that their mind continues racing with thoughts even when they feel physically tired. Because magnesium supports relaxation within the nervous system, low levels of this mineral may make it more difficult for the body to transition into deep and restorative sleep. Another possible sign of low magnesium involves frequent headaches. Headaches can have many different causes, including dehydration, stress, and muscle tension. However, magnesium plays a role in regulating blood vessels and nerve signals in the brain. When magnesium levels drop, the nervous system may become more sensitive to certain triggers that contribute to headaches. For some individuals, this may result in occasional tension headaches. Others may experience headaches that appear without a clear reason. Researchers have also observed that magnesium levels may influence migraine activity in certain people. While magnesium deficiency is not the only cause of migraines, low levels may increase the likelihood of these painful episodes in some individuals. Another sign that sometimes appears involves increased sensitivity to stress. Magnesium plays an important role in regulating the body's stress response. When the body encounters stress, hormones are released to prepare the body to respond to a challenge. Magnesium helps maintain balance within this system and supports the body's ability to return to a calm state after stress passes. But when magnesium levels decline, the nervous system may become more reactive. Some people may notice that they feel more anxious or tense during situations that previously felt manageable. Others may experience irritability or emotional sensitivity. Even small daily stresses may begin to feel more overwhelming than before. Because magnesium influences both the nervous system and hormone regulation, even moderate deficiencies may affect how the body handles stress. Another subtle change that some people notice involves increased muscle tension throughout the body. Muscles in the neck, shoulders, and back may feel tighter than usual. Some people notice that their shoulders remain tense throughout the day, even when they are not performing physically demanding tasks. This tension can develop because magnesium helps regulate muscle relaxation. Without enough magnesium, muscles may remain slightly contracted for longer periods of time. Over time, this may lead to discomfort, stiffness, or feelings of tightness in different areas of the body. These signs may appear gradually, which is why many people do not immediately connect them to magnesium levels. But the body often sends multiple signals when an important mineral becomes insufficient. In the next part, we will explore several additional symptoms that may appear when magnesium deficiency continues developing. Some of these signs involve the heart, muscles, and the body's ability to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Signs 6 to 8. Your body may need magnesium. Another sign that may appear when magnesium levels become too low involves the way the heart feels during normal daily activity. Some people occasionally notice a sensation known as heart palpitations. This may feel like the heart is beating faster, stronger, or slightly irregular for a brief moment. In many cases, heart palpitations are harmless and may occur during stress, after caffeine consumption, or during physical exertion. However, magnesium plays an important role in regulating the electrical signals that control the rhythm of the heart. The heart relies on a precise balance of minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium to maintain a stable heartbeat. Magnesium helps stabilize these electrical signals and support the normal rhythm of the heart muscle. When magnesium levels become too low, the electrical system that controls the heartbeat may become slightly more sensitive. As a result, Some individuals may occasionally notice a fluttering or pounding sensation in the chest. For many people, this sensation appears briefly and disappears quickly. Although palpitations can have many causes, magnesium deficiency may sometimes contribute to these experiences. Another sign that may appear with low magnesium levels involves muscle weakness. Muscles require a balance of minerals to function correctly. Magnesium works together with calcium to regulate the process of muscle contraction and relaxation. When magnesium levels are sufficient, muscles contract when needed and then relax smoothly. But when magnesium levels decline, muscles may not perform as efficiently. Some people notice that their muscles feel weaker than usual. Activities that once felt easy may require more effort. Climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or standing for long periods may feel more tiring than before. This weakness does not always appear suddenly. In many cases, it develops gradually. People may assume they are simply feeling tired or that their physical fitness has decreased. However, mineral balance plays an important role in maintaining normal muscle strength. Another sign that may appear involves small involuntary muscle movements, often described as muscle twitching. Many people have experienced eyelid twitching at some point in their lives. This small, repetitive movement can be surprising, but is usually harmless. However, magnesium helps regulate communication between nerves and muscles. When magnesium levels are low, nerve cells may become more excitable. This increased sensitivity can cause nerves to send signals to muscles more easily than usual. As a result, small muscles may twitch or contract without conscious control. These movements may occur in the eyelids, arms, legs, or other parts of the body. Although occasional twitching can happen to anyone, frequent muscle twitching may sometimes indicate that the nervous system is not receiving enough magnesium. Another possible signal involves increased physical fatigue during activity. Magnesium supports energy production at the cellular level. Inside every cell, magnesium helps activate processes that produce energy from nutrients. Without enough magnesium, these processes may become less efficient. As a result, the body may feel tired more quickly during physical activity. People may notice that they become fatigued sooner when exercising or performing everyday tasks. The body may also take longer to recover after physical effort. These changes can develop slowly, which is why they are often overlooked. But the body frequently sends several signals when magnesium levels begin to decline. In the final part, we will discuss the remaining warning signs and explain why magnesium is one of the most important minerals for maintaining overall health. Understanding these signals may help you recognize when your body may need more magnesium. Signs 9 to 10 and why magnesium is so important. Another sign that may suggest low magnesium levels involves persistent fatigue that does not improve with rest. Everyone feels tired from time to time, especially after a long day of work or physical activity. But when magnesium levels are low, fatigue may appear even when a person seems to be getting enough sleep. This type of tiredness often feels different from ordinary fatigue. Some people describe it as a constant lack of energy. Others feel physically drained even after completing simple tasks. Magnesium plays a central role in the body's energy system. Inside every cell, energy is produced through a molecule called ATP. This molecule acts like a small battery that powers the processes needed for cells to function. Magnesium is required to activate ATP and allow it to deliver energy throughout the body. When magnesium levels are insufficient, energy production may become less efficient. As a result, the body may struggle to maintain normal energy levels. This can lead to feelings of exhaustion that appear without a clear cause. Another possible sign of magnesium deficiency involves persistent muscle tension and stiffness. Many people notice tightness in their neck, shoulders, or back after a long day. However, when magnesium levels are low, muscles may remain slightly contracted for longer periods of time. Magnesium normally helps muscles relax after contraction. Without enough magnesium, muscles may have difficulty returning to a relaxed state. This can create a feeling of tightness or stiffness in different parts of the body. Over time, this tension may lead to discomfort in the shoulders, neck, lower back, or legs. Some individuals also notice that their muscles feel sore more easily after physical activity. Magnesium plays a role in maintaining proper muscle recovery and relaxation. Another important function of magnesium involves supporting the nervous system. Magnesium helps regulate signals between nerve cells and supports balanced communication within the brain. When magnesium levels are sufficient, the nervous system can maintain a stable level of activity, but when levels decline, the nervous system may become more reactive. This may contribute to increased sensitivity to stress, tension, or difficulty relaxing. Magnesium also supports healthy heart function. The heart depends on a precise balance of minerals to maintain its rhythm and strength. Magnesium helps regulate electrical signals in the heart muscle and supports normal cardiovascular function. In addition to supporting the heart, magnesium contributes to bone health. Although calcium is often associated with strong bones, magnesium also plays an important role in maintaining bone structure. It helps regulate how calcium is used within the body and supports the stability of bone tissue. Magnesium also participates in hundreds of biochemical reactions that occur every day. These reactions influence energy production, muscle function, nerve communication, and the body's ability to respond to stress. Despite its importance, many people do not consume enough magnesium through their daily diet. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and certain legumes. Because modern diets often contain fewer whole foods, magnesium intake may sometimes fall below the levels the body needs. Understanding the signals your body sends can help you recognize when something important may be missing. Sometimes symptoms that seem small or unrelated may actually be the body's way of asking for better nutritional support. Listening to these signals and maintaining a balanced diet can help support overall health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos about nutrition, health, and the signals your body sends every day.